In this session, we will design DFA and regular expression for the language L, a power n, b power m, such that n plus m is even. We will also convert the DFA into regular expression using state elimination method. Let's start the session. Given L is a and b m, n plus m is even. So we need to count number of a, then followed by a number of b. Their sum must be even. So we can have four cases for number of a and number of b. So number of a, number of b, it can be even. Number of a, number of b can be even. Number of a can be odd, number of b can be odd. Number of a can be odd, number of b can be even. Number of a can be even and number of b is odd. And if we will check their sum of number of a and number of b is even. Sum of number of a is odd, number of b is odd is even. Sum of number of a is odd and number of b is even is odd. Sum of number of a is even and number of b is odd is also odd. So we will not consider these two cases. We will consider case number 1 and case number 2. So in case number 1, number of a is even can be represented by a star, then followed by number of b that is also even, that can be generated by b star. So case number 1 regular expression is a star concatenation with b star. Now we will consider case 2 where number of a is odd and its corresponding regular expression is a star followed by a number of b that is also odd. So it can be represented by b whole star. So the final regular expression is a star b star plus a star b star. So this represents the regular expression for the language L, a power n, b power m, where n plus m is even. Now we will design its DFA and then we will try to convert that DFA into regular expression using state elimination method. So L is a and bm, n plus m is even. So we can have number of a. If we will read a, on the initial state number of a is even, b we had not read yet, and number of a is odd over here. And if we will read a again, we will move back to the initial state. So it might possible number of b is not presenting, so it can be the final state. Once I read a b, after that I cannot able to read a, so it may represent the status a is even and b is odd. And if we will read another b, it will become even a and even b, and this can be the final state. And if I read b on this state, we can move back to this state even a odd b. Now if we will read b on this state, we can move to the final state because it represents the case number of a is odd and number of b is also odd. So this final state represents both the cases even a even b as well as odd a odd b. And if we will read b on this state, we will move to this state and it will also represent the other case, that is odd a and even b. You can consider this path a, that is odd, number of a is 1, it might possible number of a is 3. Then I will read a b and then I will read another b. We will come back to this state. So it represents the case of odd a and even b, which is not the accepted string. So our final DFA will look like this one. and if I read A over here, it will move to the reject state as well as on this state. Whenever we are converting DFA into RE using state elimination method, we can remove the reject state directly. So our DFA will look like, we can represent it by Q0 final state. A, we will come back to Q0, let's call it as Q1. We will read B, we will move to Q2. On reading of B, we will move to QF, and there are two final states. Now we will try to convert this finite automata into regular expression using state elimination method. So we can remove this H by putting its effect on Q0. So we can have a loop of AA, and on reading of A, we will move to Q1 state. Then reading of B, we are moving to QF state. On reading of B, we are moving to Q2 state, and then B, and we are coming back to Q2 state from QF state. After removal of Q1 state, we will get Q0. There is a self loop of AA. On reading of AB, we will move to final state QF. B on Q2, we are reading B, moving from Q2 to QF, and on reading of B, we are moving from QF to Q2. Now we will remove this S and we will put its effect on QF state. We will get AA, AB, QF. On reading of B, we are moving to Q2. B, we are moving to QF. And on reading of B, and this can be considered as a self loop, so it is BB. Now we can able to remove Q2 state. We will get Q0 AA. On reading of AB, we are moving to QF state. There is a self loop of BB, and on reading of BB, we can move from Q0 to QF. Now we can write down its regular expression. Both states are final state. If we will consider Q0 as the final state, we will get the regular expression as AA star. If we are having QF as the final state, we will get the regular expression as AA star AB, this H, plus BB and BB star, and this represents the regular expression corresponding to the given finite automata or corresponding to the given language ANBM, where n plus m is even. This regular expression is identical to the regular expression that we had designed. So it will be equal to AA star AB BB star plus AA star BB star. Now we can take common from these two. So because this is the case of even A, even B, so we can take AA star, that is null, plus BB into BB star plus AA star A, BB star. We will get AA star plus null plus BB star. Instead of star, we will get plus. Then it can represent number of A is odd. It will represent the odd case. This will represent the case where number of B is odd. So we can write down it as BB star, and it represents the same regular expression that we had earlier designed by considering the four cases. Thanks for watching this session.